Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video I want to talk about this Jackry solar power generator. Now I do want to mention I did receive this product in exchange for a shoppable video. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so right out of the box you do have this. So this is a box. It has a plug here, 3-prong. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off already. Your instructions. It does have nice packaging. As you can see, this thick packaging that comes on top of the generator and the generator itself. So here it is, and you do have more thick packaging that comes in it. This is even soft. But this is the box. That's what comes in this package. Now I did get the option with the solar panel. So this solar panel is a big panel. We're gonna go ahead and put it outside. And that panel does come with this extension as well. This extension has a place for USB-A, and right here there's an LED light, and it has a USB-C port. And you can see this is what you connect from solar panel to the generator itself. Now let's go over the generator. Right here it has a soft rubber handle. It is a heavy duty feeling generator. You have the input for the panel, and you have a 3-prong here, 100 volt, 120 volt. It does have rubber legs on the bottom. Overall, it is sturdy. It feels very sturdy. So this is the power button. You turn it on. It has 28% battery, and you can take this off. I'm just going to leave it on. So you do have a light. So to turn on the light, you just press it, and you get one option, and the second option is a little brighter, and the third one is a SOS. And to turn it off, you just press it. Now you do have USB-C right here, 30 watt, USB-C 100 watt, USB-A 18 watt, and you can switch from DC to USB right here. When you press this, you get your hours right there. You have the output readings right here. Right now it's 0 watts because we have nothing connected on. You have 1, 2, 3 areas where you can connect a device, and this right here is the AC button. Okay, so to connect our devices, we just connect them. So we can go ahead and connect it like this, and then this. So demonstration purposes, this is a power bank, and this is the mic charging case. So right now you can see it's not on. So what we have to do is we have to press this button right here. So you press it, and now everything is powered up, and it's producing power. You can see the output of power that it's giving the devices. So now this device is charging, this device is charging. You see it blinking right there. So this is a device regular with a box. So we turn that on, and we're going to turn AC, and now you see it working here. So you press this button once you want these to turn on. Turn it off, you just simply do that, and it's off. This button over here is for these options up here. This button here is for your outlets, and you can see it's charging. You can see the output right there as well, and up here, and it still has 20%. So it is also a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi compatible. So this device does have an app that you can use with it. So let's go ahead and try that out. Now through this app, you can go ahead and turn on the DC or AC. You could turn them off as well. You can turn on the light, and you can do a hourly. You could do 2-minute, 2-hour, or press off via the app. Now, since we're going to connect it to the solar panels, you take this piece right here, and you're going to connect it to this. And back here it has a connection here for the power. And now it should be getting power from the solar panel. So another thing I do want to mention is you can buy an extra solar panel, and you can connect it right here to this other port for more solar panel. You can add up to 4. So you have this connection to add more, and just connect it here, and that produces the power to the device. This back here has a leg, so you can put it more standing up, or let's say the sun is at a different angle, you just go ahead open this up more. To put it back, all you got to do is this, and they are magnetic, so they just stick to the magnet part. Now to close it like this is magnetic as well. This is magnet, so you have that. Then you can go ahead and carry it. Now if you want to put it to the outlet and you need the power quick, you just plug it in here, and there you go. Now it's getting power. It's being charged. You see the input right there, and right now it's getting 991 watt, and you see this progress bar as it's charging. All right, so we have all these products charging, as you can see, blinking. It's on. This is charging. This is charging. This is charging as well. And so here we see it working. That's how much the output is. It's at 100%. And it's very quiet. You really can't hear it. And so that concludes the video on this Jackry generator. Thank you.